because now I be waiting and they do some of them. Now silent I just they beat them. If I come and come they talk, you they tell me, I they tell you, not be disgrace to you yourself. You say, mama, why even they listening to? I just can't they do this one.
Me and you go ever come and come tell each other. I'm waiting for they do. No, you know now.
No, as in for phone, you tell me say, mama, if I'm not just doing, mama, you understand?
Yeah.
So since if you see the angry, sometimes I feel see they calm you. And I don't be the difference with they. Now everything I go answer. What was the answer where I never even talk to for my life? I never hear from. I never even know them. They don't match my husband picture. What about those ones? They don't see the social media.
Because they go on the whole platform say now you know one move on. They can't they put down and I say what? Wait till we know for Facebook.
Like me and her discussion. We discuss on like that.
Hey, Risha, now wait till she even bring out the talk. Why she can't they cry? She bring her out. I not go talk wait till private for her life. Now wait till she bring her with talk. Why is she not crying? Why is she in pain that nobody supported her? Why una not support me? Why una not do this? Who want support you when you not let the man get rest of mind? Now man will get peace. Now you know that if you really dey romantic, that man not go get time go dey listen. You need to say Enogie be don't fall in love with Omo because they give am voice, see voice. Yesterday I did this out. That's why I wear short knicker. Even though my belly never flat finish, all my nails everywhere open. I wear open belly. My husband come on, follow me. I say, oh God, don't go give me belly and never reach. I make sure say I waka pass and you no feel resistant. You know that I no go get those techniques. Now I have to carry black and black. Aye la la. No go romantic. They'll collect her for your wife. No romantic. Cover your husband's shame for her. Cover your husband's shame. No be saying a friend you they discuss with the whole world. I don't support my way that which evil he do. He got those two man. He catch you first and he can't lose guard. He himself lose guard. If to say no that day for escape that part. If I escape that part, he can't lose guard. If I know now a Roman rugby happen, so hello. Already now. Well, very me ada well me am you. Already rough. Use it the other page. Well, on ya. Don't be a bumbo class. My husband come this morning. He don't eat better food. He dey sleep now. Oh, you even write me? I don't know. Thank you, mommy T. Jerry. Okay, may I invite you when you? Fear is where this abonao. That year, oh, he happened that day. Before you know, husband snatch I go they use and laugh. You go they use and laugh. You go comment put. You know they come out and for her say he don't talk another narrative. Side chick now he say made them. What else you were happy that she was removed? You mentioned it. Abi if you not talk, una they forget. I know all of una. I know the thing where you go feed do. This time around, you see as Frank Victor wife not the badge into a platform. Now so we want put you. May you know the badge into your husband platform. Don Prince where they settled on yesterday. As the wife not the badge into a platform. Now so you two go stop to the badge into your husband platform. If you begin the badge, I go they analyze you. Not be only you get husband. All the rest they still married there. Oh yeah, Baba now. Wait till they do your use the other account enter now. You know they enter. Use another account. Maybe now your TikTok. Every year renewal. Go your now surface stay night they work. Go your way get handwork. You they call and say, go your Saga store. You know they do handwork.
My sister, good morning, Jare. Wa kwe dono ko ni eho. Oko mo wa
Thinking
gbono.
Imanesa, ma saboni magbe.
Zobo buki. Uki o nedo tuki na.
And
Wa
man
no kilo no ko ni.
Uki so ebugbe.
Oni Enogie not a me in another talking na. Oh, kwano okay
Ene no ja Euro no baby. We no je mama no be Euro. Me no go know whether say did or too keen or no.
Okay.
Or they have baby.
Ogbowajole. Now go na be what? Now go wajole.
So I try the
What chuju we this do ya? Me asa mi ogbowajole no jabo no ku oni o.
Okay, you da gwen no do. Aki gwen wa ya get na don support am make you dey carry your husband come outside. You no go happen, you go carry enter his house.
Ekoko mama gbodo ejodo egumodo no
Wetin dey tell laugh your husband and you go come and come still talk and remind am. You know why even improve the life for your own. You know why tell am make you say only okay since they
me understand o. The worst part again nere gbodo again ore dagbare. O support gwen odo
At all.
Yeah? O support gwen odo akwa no so le.
Oh, you gwen odo say no dey cover for man.
Akwa no odo le ono so le men ne.
Hello, imunero gbeluwa. Imunero gbeluwa.
Iwenere ki your mama moji unki. See this one where family don't reject. Rejected product when they kill your papa. Useless man, you know they stay one place when they kill you. What did they do for them? My way they fuck nyash Ogbonisan. Ogbonisan, what did they do for you? Oguki your prick. Wait, not they walk. He went there all platform now you they go. One useless mama juki. This one where mama don't carry inheritance. Now mama juki, the waiting don't do for you.
Of when it talking now.
I know the man. I make I want give am today. You tell her no platform when you know they go. You when nyash the leak. Papas wear who agbe o agbo. Who vanua who saga. Who des daga. Are ekpoto edo. You know no platform when you want. This side he come now. May I tell you say my man.
Joyous, you Alpha.
I do. I understand.
I see say mama don't mention your name today.
Nah, go on, Sarah.
Hey, now wow. I don't understand if person no join you, you go be like say the person a bad person. But the day the person will come join you, come be like say, what it come make I mention mama.
He shame and disgrace. Wait, not quick cover for husband. Who want join her?
Now, woman, you need to learn. Even though the man made mistake.
Truth is bitter. Me, I block your mama. God punish your
mama. Even though the man made mistake, is it every time your husband go get caught? Why we not on the on camera? Come they curse our husband every time for social media? Now that one, and then your husband even they fight for them. Make she stop him.
My sister, may God bless you. They say we will know they come outside the cry and say our
now that one make she stop because you know why they talk he say that the man bring and come social media now the man bring and come social media now even though the man bring you come social media even my sister everybody they carry you enter house.
They don't know say people no marriage nobody go come outside say marriage na bed of roses now your marriage na on now what we say they everybody
if any woman when you be like say you see that even the happiness when they join this matter today when I even say they join this their matter today now even the happiness say one man give another woman belle he get her one happiness when the way they give Enogie gift that time they say husband give another woman belle for outside for that Jamie now the get on the Jamie again and the get on the Italy now that woman will even give woman belle the man still dey inside house but your own now this that just say this thing why be say you now as a woman will be like say this matter so now this thing so now they go they use a thing they go to Enogie till 1 year now wetin Enogie they run offer because you know what time they talk anybody when tell you truth this time around no reason I say the person they lie for you because Joyous when he can't tell you truth so he never come as a con disgwangwa his husband. Mama T never come as a con disgwangwa his husband. Even the mumutiri the way they still gossip apparel for inside the message yesterday. He never come as a con tell you say see here his husband not tell a bath wear. Say his husband not the wear bossa wear. Say he thought say he bossa
how many times mumutiri don't join her do saga if she get saga.
Okay.
But she
now they tell you. Oh, that one now, she can never tell you say your husband no they do well, but now only you they carry your shame and this girl they come outside, come they cost your husband, won't be like say he put money for your hair. Even though the man no they work, I remember you thought say anybody will talk say no they go and work, you go no anybody will even tell no they go and work that you go talk say yeah no be work. Now, know how much we know they collecting, but if you put it, you say go and work. Money when know they collect in a day for this place, most of people when they work, they collect 1 hour.
Not only they tell say husband not get property.
Why you come outside come they talk today now you don't?
Why not get property?
No, another one when they talk today now when she they talk, he says 6 months now. Jamie no they pay him again because of Enogie. Because of say you want sacrifice that thing so that may Enogie take get what he wants. Maybe now something maybe she they do now make you want sacrifice. We don't want here say what you and your husband do. We don't want listen to you again. Make you enter house.
You enter house.
Shame no. Shame is very very. You don't even get shame at all. Enter you no be fair. You no be. Many women they do one. This one way they do your husband. They do for indoor for their husband, but they know they carry and come outside. Madam, enter house. If you don't see person when tell you, even the momentary thing when you be like, see you want they join now, they join everywhere. The momentary thing, you know they call police for your husband. You don't want to talk for social media. You never never call police for your husband. Come here, they come they tell us say how you take they disgrace your husband, how you take they do one, how your husband don't they even though your husband cheat on you. I don't tell you say he good to for man to cheat on you, even though that me, but for inside house. Now I go disgong my husband because I go make miserable. But for you to the carry come outside every blessed day, you they explain who you want to explain, rich. Even as this you explain when they explain, they cure the depression for this social media. Because you they come outside and they explain. You upload everything they don't talk. You go start again, you they explain. Why can't we just say, okay, baby, we are not doing this one again, let's stop. Even though man,
no reach like that. You know they agree. I want to leave me.
This morning now, you still come outside. You see they explain. We don't want to hear you explain.
Let you go
up please now. Please. What do you see? Wait for the even they wait. I say, okay, if you come outside, you go say, me and my husband, we know, even though your husband they tell you say you must go do or what. You say, okay, me and my husband want carry this to come for social media. As a mature woman, will be like 37 years. No. If person can reach 40 years, you call.
Oh, yeah, I see 50 years.
Wow.
I'm not due.
No. You can't come outside. They say joyous, joyous.
Social media tomorrow. She not go feel him opinion. They go to shut and say, shut up. Not we carry husband come on that.
She not go feel my sister not true.
She know they think waiting me they think for her. She they feel and say she right. She don't disgrace her husband to have satisfaction.
No. Your husband don't. No. Mama T, your husband, this thing when you talk so, your husband not talking for YouTube today. Okay. You know say they go YouTube today again. Your husband not tell her say, as you they the husband tell her say, you see this thing when they do that, tomorrow now, if me and you don't settle that, we don't settle for his her. If these people they use and they saga us tomorrow, don't try and come outside tell me say make I come saga them.
Yes, no.
The man don't make us sure say we go settle, but this thing now. Don't tell me say make I come use and tell saga them tomorrow.
Now they always tell husband made their saga free set now.
Joyous say they say if they say me the true talker. You know say that yesterday. As I just come here, I come a man of my friend come say me over about rough this thing deal that bliss over about Joyous forget to you see all those side chicken. I don't know why the man when they toast they go leave the man. That the woman when the man marry, then they go your day after.
You don't know.
Even the bliss man self, he could ask about Enogie wife. If the conversation, he go put Enogie wife, he go put Enogie. No, see Enogie wife, he don't put on the matter.
If she mistakenly
if to say they see each other,
if like say she mistakenly entered the house, now what you have do my enemy so now bliss for do mama Nora. If for deal with time, never even reach out and no get saying that they drink, see and say in the carry what they cotton news all the time. You want dagger the woman. Now that much supposed you say thank God for supposed
all the evil
say thank God say you never put you go chopper. They never
if you see the thing there. Just you know say for example now make I use
one collect married man must get techniques now. You know no.
You know what happen? You do the day after for the wife. I just say your wife where you did now, where your wife did now, your wife don't dey sleep. I bet let us know if your wife don't dey sleep. I just see your wife don't dey where with the chat. Oh, it just dey around your wife, and the woman massive not even though say this thing they happen. But what they pay me now the moment when this woman they do now when me no like you're supposed to say, as I see that this thing they say one bliss. What do me do you when you and my husband dey love?
When you not get like another girl won't call your husband with sweet voice.
Hey, I never seen a woman be like this, so my mom here.
He want make the help and the saga of my bliss, making the saga a husband. Now waiting be the expect.
No,
for waiting.
God forbid though.
Yeah, saga must be when you they come off for lane, you know what take correction. You know what not say you don't they grow. Your husband said to the extent you off the internet, maybe for not talk again, you still go another platform they talk. Now so I no fit fight on my bliss. I no go fit. Me and my bliss give my big lion I go still settle with my bliss. Nothing way no fit settle.
Why is I
nothing way here I no fit settle. Even though they don't hit bottle for head, if the pet is still going, still settle.
He said my bliss give her 200,000. They said please give her 200,000. What did they even talk to?
My bliss still they give her gift now. If she they do show now. When they do bad, they go they say you don't give me lying. You don't give me lying.
You know see some bliss come outside today. He say how far now? How saga they go everywhere they go now. And sisters everywhere they go. Now what your bliss go talk? Because the woman they say yes, they give her power.
She now go feel so bigger. Did they mock her? How did they tell her? Didn't say what she called insult me. Basically, you use your own mouth to finish. You can't say that Mati, you want now you want confess. You now.
Go visit. I say no single mother are coming to collect a no if you not take time. The girl they mock you now. You they cry. For person when you support
Mama Nora, that one when forget
for 1 week.
See, Mama Nora, make I just tell you today. If you and Enogie live each other, and so nobody go carry you for 4 children. Nobody go carry you at all. Nobody go carry you for 4 children at all.
Jamie, they go only come.
How do you want to carry?
You never. Yes. You don't know Jamie men. Even though
you know, no talk and Joyous.
Mama,
no talk and not be say.
Make I tell you because me say me dey inside my home. Only where she go even see who go even look her faith. Now if she's still strong, say she dey work, she dey hard working, you not be liability. The fit say that you not
yes.
Myself. Man, not they carry marriage. You say you now you go come marry 23 children. You go fair reason say I want to take care of the children. Now me born there.
God bless you.
The man say you know they hard working.
You know how many women say single. They go they sick. Nobody want look picking for them. Make they go hospital. We get men inside.
That one when you they make plan with us say if you go, I fit take up. My sister, you know go fit you know what you get when you go do and reach you go.
Which man won't carry? When she don't display for TikTok, which man won't carry? Don't break that man. That they tell you the truth. You want me to defend you?
He said, Joyous, I dey see you, Joyous, I dey see you. Say you talk to me.
The only mommy Joy wey born one pikin, married single father. Yes.
Person they tell you truth, you don't want to believe.
Now wetin Mama Titi talk now. Mama Titi God go bless you. Not true. You go think go carry am, but the man will go to carry and the person will be like her because mama is they don't keep carry and you know one thing they will say she not get anything. First of all, she know the work, not nothing. No man will go to carry. No school, nothing. No school, language school. You know.
Even the dog, I don't sabi and feeling, but they pakaron. I they sabi.
You dey try now. She just sit down there. You know. So like the thing.
My sister,
so, my
sister, wait till make
Mama.
Wetin make Mommy 3 days say wetin make Mommy 3 days talk say you want die for there? No be because you no go see person wey go carry am. You don't want carry am with 5 people. You get where to carry am. I believe all those people.
Not there.
Everybody said they want find out that one will come.
You work finish. If you want to apply for passport, then you go bring your behind. And now then you want to start the day all over, you still drop work, still don't start school. Before you don't go fit my sister. You know how
Many men. Many men now many men now they don't want to train another person pikin like that. They fear they'll say, but if you do man get work, they go join her. But if no man don't get work, I not they join her.
No people want pikin, no be two. Who want train 4 children for another man?
They never even grow now. Because of say they don't grow small. They never grow. No one don't start primary school. See, I think last 2 years, where I did my place of work. I want
no, since not this matter.
I want to register my second daughter for school. I think it's not last year, I think years back. My sister, I want to leave work. I can't put all the documents for her. I tell my husband, say, since she will go work in the afternoon. And me, I dey do work 3 o'clock for night. I dey work for the cry. 3 o'clock. Now I think him after beg, help me go apply for school for her. Then you help me go. I run school runs for the one way to in senior. Now my husband run school runs for her after her primary school. My sister, it's not easy because you need to dey work. It's not easy. You know, if man no dey, you won't leave work, they will sack you. If you give excuse too much, they will sack you. They'll on you. And you don't go feel leave school for them. They don't go feel run school by themselves. Like if I tell you something, if you say me, I don't like you, okay, no problem. If you do it today, your mind. But at this point, you know if you run now. Let me tell you, people will run now, they will tell you the story. Their eyes keep back.
He said that because of mommy 3D, Joyous the because of mommy 3D. Because of mommy 3D.
Okay, what do you make her contact that mommy Mama T? Ask her what you make her contact Mama T.
You can do it. Because of who?
Now mommy 3D make you the disgrace your husband faster. Eh?
Oh my now, beg.
See the way they put that man down, not fine at all. No talk to.
This guy woman don't go feel the romance, so.
You know, when you look at face, you know, say she not get those things.
You know, even get the Maggie and salt to finish to spicing up your marriage. You go call the chat, say, they want family because of this man. They know they said nice to you, though.
Tomorrow now,
tolerate it. Nobody will not get
tomorrow now. They listen. He can't they use that woman when he did court ready for Jamie that time. Can't they bring video come? See, Enogie wife. You know just get the one. Tomorrow, if that woman talk bad against you, go delete that video again. You don't just know the one when you did. But the day when person go talk good against you, but the day when person don't talk good against you, you go say that one will be bad. That one a bad person. No.
Now you know she carry
do wrong. If you know, God forbid, though. When you do wrong, if you not see person when tell you the truth, me say you will never know forever. You understand me now? Any woman when they carry your husband come and say call the disgrace, show me for TikTok for you.
No,
show me for TikTok. Any woman.
Now wait till I ask her.
Any woman. Joyous not be a social media person. Even though me no be social media person. Once in a while he dey call. Which day maybe in a month or in a week, person and husband must get misunderstanding. What to make them never come carry their husband, come they beat their husband for us, come they shake before their husband.
When me get solution to my problem.
Why? I don't know whether than this social media.
No,
see my mama see. Oh God. Enogie, it dey wrong where even everybody don't join a mama Nora they beat Enogie that time. But when you don't say people don't side you well, my sister, you go use brain so that me no come
okay, look at her. Before more talk truth. She be not vex because what that girl talk. The girl come talk.
Why stand she go talk something go vex housewife?
My sister, let me tell you something. See, Joyous no dey here now. Listen, my sister, Joyous no dey here. Let me tell you something.
She won't believe.
People tell Joyous say listen when they play Joyous in father-in-law voiceover. People couldn't say, your husband go get misunderstanding for us. Joyous don't mind husband for his house. He can't come social media. He can't disguan mama. Can't they fight mama? Can't they do mama? But for indoor, your husband feel get misunderstanding. But for outside, never. You go talk to your husband the way you want to talk to. But for outside, na mama, na if and that day I respect this woman. Because people was waiting to say, oh yeah, your husband will come fight because they play your husband voiceover. She not try her. This woman not try her. You not disgrace your husband for her side.
I not disgrace and disgrace the family. I sit down with the I face who bring the talk.
Now, Carol and Wala they go job. Now only you be social media person for this social media. If person they tell her the truth, you this thing when they
come media talk say you know be better why that
yes. This thing when this one when Enogie. This one we Enogie do. This one wey Enogie do. This one wey Enogie do. This one wey Enogie do. He no do am well. But as a wise woman, you go know say people don't join you. You go quickly not just talk too much. You let people they fight your battle, they go. No, you can't come outside, they swear egg before the man.
Me, I
and children
hope not there for a power. Me, if I go look for doctor.
He go still Sagana. This woman no go check. Even though he go kill 10 goats. This one. He dead, but yo, he know they take for it. Even the man they talk. He know they admit stay wrong.
Me, I know yours they lie because that mama no right. I'm not sure they go.
No, you don't. Mama, this one when you talk, now true you talk. Hope no day this one. Hope no day. Even if they bad.
Me, you go because they feel sorry for her because I know say mama no right. Because say they no get the room for inside house. Say they call the.
Nah, lie. No man, fancy way pick on lie for my head this morning. No be everything you believe.
Not to say na lie. No be nothing. No be my perfect person. But now who carry you come out? May I tell you this?
Yeah.
Make I tell you.
Wait,
Okay, talk.
If this thing reach Okaigbe place, they no go ever judge Enogie for wetin you do.
God bless you, mama.
They go judge, they go judge her, come cut am this one. Enogie for their eye, he right. For our people, eye right. But if they tell me they talk, Enogie too get his own parts. Say he not see they okay because nobody is perfect. Anyway,
yes.
We marry each other to perfect ourselves.
Anyway, they talk so I know they perfect. Yeah, man, they perfect. But I don't still learn many things. I learn a lot. I learn. I can't say no. This one I feel angry. This one I feel use dressing, tell her dress. This one I feel use music. Mama was your noise. I feel use music. I feel use music.
Muti Joyous for when Obama America.
I feel use music now. To avoid this one may not bring me problem. I feel use my breakfast outside to avoid this one. I feel use McDonald's. So I don't draw myself down. Say okay now wait now till they avoid my problem with this. If you understand this thing, it go help you. Say no get a do video you dey back. Now you be moderator. Now she be the moderator. Because I always say I don't block her. You go come swear Ogun join her. Now she be moderator.
Nah. Now only get husband where they do media.
Now she be a Enogie moderator, yes or no? You understand? So now when she go sit down for back, go to do no. Now allow the man do your own work. If you too, you be assistant manager, now you the help and they manage the company, you have to come down because now Enogie be the manager by himself. You now assistants. You be helper as God described it to be. If helper now won't come bring the person down, you know say you not go work. Now you be a helper. God made you as a helper to Enogie. If you will be helper, you won't destroy him. Who won't come helper not go fit come because you now start from home. You are the helper. God made you and I a helper to our husband. If you now won't start to destroy your home by yourself, that means the outside are not go fit help and build them. Now what I try to tell you.
Now what is she they do?
Outside and not go fit help you build down. Now you go build that house. Anyhow way Enogie be. Now you go manage Enogie character and Enogie too go manage your home. If you can't fit say now me want help you manage your marriage. Now lie.
Okay. This one I went to happen.
Also when now this morning, yes, now this morning.
See,
They see another one this morning. They see quarrel this morning.
No, they quarrel this morning because the man they tell us say they carry that, they pay that man though. But the woman say he don't go throw away the course yesterday night. See, he don't do the course yesterday night.
Say no.
When I shout say
You know why? Mama Joyous, you know why? Because
when I shout say you turn the cut or you go use that swear for all of us. Wait, okay.
We check. Now you created. Now you power where they created. Wait,
The thing go to talk. I don't know whether I heard you go to swear for people wait talk for
You know they say go to turn cause why not use egg to return? Say na 90 take one. Make you go to turn.
This thing where do if they try and to my husband for Enogie, no be small go to Enogie.
Ma forbid you, listen.
For Enogie, now where for marry you?
Every Opa.
Go swear for your husband. What did they go do you for that early place?
I don't rule the table. No, they egg itself.
People tradition well. They hold am. Forget abroad. All of us with this marriage. People they hold that tradition.
I said the time when no me they see the time when we dey house. Mama,
my own brother too. You know the tradition Mama play. Now it's senior me.
Mama Titi, the time when we dey house, person when senior me self like the one when senior me direct. I know fit talk to her anyhow. Oh no, yeah, this one man already do so well. You know you're fine. You know you're good at all. I don't support
No,
that.
he say me with the Sarah John, your husband wrong. Why
No,
will your
I
husband
don't
chant?
support that.
When the guy bring line your phone, now you begin the praise am. Who be this some of me? Who you tell?
Now she even give a liar code.
Now even give her access to the family. This one, give her €100. You don't talk to the family friend.
But mom, please do. He do bad well. She do bad for that.
That one, na toto way they blow whistle.
That one she do bad. She for not your behave that kind of behavior
Now
at all.
because he not running to learn romantic. He still the saga now. We no go they dress sexy. Package yourself for inside house. As I get now, shop me can shimmy where you open belly away. Opposite my belly never flat.
Your husband say me go do cleansing. He say no go do now. So.
Now the husband wait dead there with her. His husband not supposed to 20 he thought. But for where for? But may you the year now. I don't know how you hope for me. Anything where sit down, no sit down on top. Waiting cook, no eat am. Where you for the bath, no bath for there.
That's what you talk yesterday.
This the one that they look so God forbid, not be the start from the children. He go start from children first. Make it everybody hear am. This one
she be not know.
Now the thing. Now waiting they happen as tradition.
No, she be not know say when he curse the husband, it will affect the children. She be not know because yesterday when that lady called the tell her say you don't know what you do your husband and it will affect your children. He say no. How you not go know?
He not get mama. No, they no call her mama. May tell
be
her
like generational curse now.
Mama, when I married her, my mama tell me the do and do not of tradition. My mama, because they husband house. And not just call your wife, mama, make you tell your daughter what and what not to do. Not be your family one. Even though your family talk, if mama supposed tell us so they go husband house, see waiting with the forbid though, see waiting with not the forbid though. As the mama they give her out of the family. My mommy told me everything whether they forbid. Even so when I don't come to my husband come they tell me.
I think they tell her they get pepper body too much. I think they will tell her.
The man say no, they respect your husband. Good afternoon.
She they go out of control.
You know they respect you, mama. The man say you know they listen.
My sister, no. I say no. If let's say they tell her say if this one leave you, you know go see your husband though. Let's say they tell her sometimes. If let's say family they tell her sometimes. If mama they tell her say if this one leave you, you know the yes.
Now me one content and wait 1 year. We there here to analyze you. As you do money session, make me analyze her. Wait till you
This woman like social media, eh?
May I play this video?
You know, see, voice don't calm down. Now the man don't they made now. Wait till you suppose get power now. Now the man can't get power. Sense is so common sense is not common. I be able
Now me can't cut Mama T.
Wait till you now you suppose they made your husband like this. Then go they beg. Now he can't they made you because of what?
Don't push you,
lack wisdom.
push you enter fire.
You lack wisdom. The side don't they laugh you? Is it not a shame?
If not let that ogun now.
Oh, she dey cost Mama T.
Now that egg.
They cost Mama T.
They cost me day before yesterday, my sister. They are close not they do anything for my body. My back to center.
Now he want do me today. Now the husband want to carry pikin go to sister no carry pikin go tell me sit down this month. You must
that woman they try for that thing though. That woman they try for this
opposite parent dey house now. The children, the man go hold for sit down. Waiting with the see for camera. The man now go know where that time to bring children for school. Sometimes go use taxi go bring them. He go leave the show. This man they drop children. Madam, what is your occupation in Germany? Now to just sit down they collect your money. Eh? They upon this thing, you say they cause this man say not get what they do. We don't advise you must integrate by fire. Even though na 8 try, you must get her. The man still the ready picking now. Early morning. Picking. Sir, before I come out.
No, the man don't carry children go school.
Oh, apropos waiting. I react to apropos now he post this thing just now. This morning now.
You say you don't apropos new.
Man go they give you BP, you don't give her back. My sister, you are a fool.
Yeah?
Put down
Okay.
the press on when one put you now two go to press together.
Okay.
Now this one say more support and put. He said if you don't cause your husband, you are
Never know.
If you not give your husband BP, you are a fool. I know that I did too kina.
Do that man for depression when you are she be that thing by the penal. We can forget you easily. Sorry for man, no sorry. Give man waiting man give you. If me they cry, go they cry. I wish that thing no happen now. She be they cry for that thing now.
Nah, I know they won't cry for you. If not some men, therefore don't go by Wi-Fi for one single mother house.
Not true.
Now he won't cry for you.
If that's some men, they don't come out. They don't even get time.
This one not saying a woman, no matter how we stop or reach, man still high pass us. He ain't not a feel saying a man. That is what I'm more than listening. Thank God say I jumped this video. Then we analyze her.
For that one now. She be that one the sister they cry now. Man go your talk to you, they cry. Man go beat to you, they cry. You don't go see something do that man back. Make that man see they cry.
Thank you. Oh, you know the tell her where. You never ready to be wife. If man say, hey, you go talk Z. Sometimes say my husband still they talk. I don't talk, I'll go room. Sometimes they talk, you go room. Now the marriage stay they work. He said, man, depressed na mo na buy your husband, make your life better. Buy your husband, your life for they good. If you don't buy your husband,
One person don't sing this song. He sing this song for Facebook.
You not let me even say all this kind of talk, sir. Hey, God. I don't get mine to talk like this.
You see, my own husband when we get for this house. If this kind of thing, never even tell herself. You not go take her. You go just somebody to tell her this kind of thing. Hey, okay, honestly. Okay, I want you for what you can't be. You know, la oh, another day life at all.
She's very, very hot. Now I make her. She's feeling this way. She did very, very.
But she did make mistake the more. Which kind of hot? And this hot, they pay me. She not feel control her temper.
Nah, you know they feel control her mama.
She not feel control her temper. Una hear her? He don't know the difference between man and woman. He all be saying I be man. Now he make I know feel. He know this thing not go ever work. But I know verse. One day, now he say domestic violence.
Domestic violence. She don't know say she did wrong, mama. Auntie say she know what she did
do now. Now who want get it? Who want me now? Not that you say I perfect. You understand? He just get some kind of just know say I F up. My husband will say only, you know, say this, if we did beg, I'll say no verse. That it don't come up with that. I am on at the talk, and they come here, give her. May I make another fufu?
Wow. Ma, we go dey cry say don't come give me BP no come kill me before my time I don't want come out for this life before my time. Now you dey tell am say if man give you BP, give am BP back.
No yourself not dey stress sef.
Una try.
Only wetin dey talk. May you just stand for that one. May you go do that cleansing. May you just go do one. Me, I don't know how they do one. When the only person where you do forbidden thing, maybe they do that thing. Maybe not the insult.
She know they do. She know they do.
I saw she talk today. She said she don't want to do one.
She don't go do.
But yesterday she said she go do one, and when she did on priest line, say she go do
no,
one.
She don't change again.
That means she get with the advice and then.
I think so. She don't change today again. Say she not go do one. Make she just do one. Make them find peace. That's all. She not will come out again.
Even though she not
just
if she still come talk to Enogie in a peaceful way, maybe inside house she not come to discuss the matter with high voice. She just like feel that, oh, I'm sorry, I know that I went too far. You just come back, they find where you want to make peace with Enogie. I think everything will do okay the way I see her. But if she say nothing they happen, you don't do anything where Enogie want to make go do. I made this matter will see they prolong, go see they go. Now what are they saying now?
But Enogie talk and say if he not put stop for this one, I say next year now he go repeat again.
He not go repeat. He won't go total. Another person won't go total next year.
You don't know what go happen. Not be only toast the cause problem. Now toast happened last year.
Now true to talk, blessing. Now true to talk. No be by
No,
say toast.
not be by toast. Not be toast happen last year. Not be happen 2 years
But
ago.
I be
If it
single
happen,
mother. Not be
then
toast to be single mother last year. Say single mother.
No, they don't already quarrel before you go single mother place. Now because he be dey street, that make I go single mother place. They don't already quarrel that time, mama.
You be like say somebody do underground for their marriage. Bless. I don't know the one. You understand? It be like say the woman they listen to person, the man too. I don't know.
They say they are still, they are also fighting. They fight again now.
Again, I'm not sure in an argument.
They not fight.
Now the argument because sister happiness dey life, so that they talk and there. So mama not papa not a day there, mama not a day there. They say make they stop. Papa not they say make go do that thing for Nigeria. Make the thing settle. Now they see they cause problem.
We're gonna analyze that video. Good afternoon, my sister.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Mommy Titi.
They still they fight.
My Enogie happiness. My take me na be a settlement. But for my own, no, I beg a lot because it's young man and lie. Mommy Joyous.
Speak English, mommy, no verse.
Okay, I want the power tap for you where I be Ishan. Most of the time, if you speak the language, yes, and yes. So I'll never climb your platform one day. This is my first time. God go bless all of you. Now this matter, say if they say me anybody can't they talk waiting day in mind. Everybody they fear because of say now you receive a ball. May they not go receive insult or whatever.
Now waiting you want do me,
Yes, but if you see this matter, another way angle when I tell Luca, yesterday when you no get the talk, it's anytime when you want rise, this woman will come, go insult her. But why would I not look in another way angle where it may be where person they when be say Enogie offend. My own point of view, when you use and take place cause, one time no person feel cause you, not be when the day when they cause you, not be that day the person they die. Say you understand? I don't know anything when they believe on my own. If na church I they go they pray, put anything when they believe, don't go talk, don't go find out. Say person feel lay cause, person feel they won't be saying he offend. That thing go they disturb your wife against her.
No, na double tap, man.
You know go be the wife eye, as in you know go be the woman. He clear eye when they attack his husband because he always they talk and say every once a year when you want stand that word I hold am very strong say when
they
you
no
want
tell Enogie may stop his wife when the saga they come shey people tell Enogie say tell your wife he won't bring you down the next thing they'll saga the person.
Yes,
you know they observe am.
But now my other way of view when I take look and say why they no check out wetin dem believe say wetin they really cause that thing.
Something really they cause am, of course.
Cause they cause am no be just clear eye. Say anytime when you want stand, if you see her now that 4 years ago, that 3 years ago, and the thing they happen once a year.
Once in a year.
Once when you can't notice say that kind of thing they happen, you as a husband now to go check am. What is wrong? Something is wrong somewhere. Not be my wife fault. Plus, if they use that against me.
And na in
they realize that social media don't feel solve and two of them need to go solve. Then we'll call the both family together. If you look and the wife not be the problem, but make them look in your side. Not be by fight now. Things of the past.
Not true.
No,
but the two so they believe or juju now.
Yeah, mommy Joyous. Now what is
the
that one?
Maybe the reaction
me and they talk about
now. If they use now true why
yeah.
they feel
Make them look now. Now when he be saying him don't observe. Anytime when you want stand, the thing go fall on. So anybody feel lay cause on you with anger, you say nothing they happen.
And if you notice now, since when this thing happen now. Enogie never do something special since then, like all this donation, all this foundation.
You know, see the one when it happened last year when a power wife come when the fight. Now social media still last 2 years now social media. So it just be like
it just be like the mug of that attitude.
No, it just be waiting me they try to
that
cause
one
it just
they
be like
say, that one they don't cause them.
It just be like say they go say anytime when this thing want better, when this man want better, make this thing happen.
Not true, sure.
You know, see her.
But the woman, they see say that she be the weapon where one fashion against Enogie because
yes,
they
people use
control
petty.
herself.
See,
Yeah.
for this
she
life,
not
for this life, if anything want attack you, now waiting you love most, now enemy they collect. Sure you know. Now waiting you like most, now they use. Now wait, my whole view say something is wrong somewhere. If it be say not be the woman fault, if it be say things of the past.
Funny thing, they don't forget the girl when be the problem.
You understand?
Calamity. They just forget her
problem now. Just
totally.
be one side.
Yes,
you advise the woman,
forget that girl, yes.
They just
You
forget
see
her totally.
You see her. If you see her now, what did this one they talk? What did this one they talk? Not they enter this one here. What did this one they talk? Not they enter this one here because
the way that they swear of recent, you know, reach to Bafaya. You know how many people wait that they swear that thing for a present. You know who be who for inside the people where they watch.
But mommy Joyous, this thing and waiting don't they come for long? Not be something of
And I want they come for long now, but now once it say they react now.
Now once it they react, okay, you know here your husband when say after you don't do this thing now, everywhere will come cool. You understand? You know what do I get in next year? And that next year, the man don't observe. Nothing will stop and that thing will still repeat. Without if they don't go do anything when they want to do against waiting they happen.
But sometimes in a person they give room to evil to enter a house.
Exactly.
The evil they use one, the other one will coordinate the other one. You get my point? It
Yeah,
one thing where they always I write for my marriage for my family. If the thing they come like this, most of the time that specific thing are through my husband. I go tell you they don't come again. Village people, you know. I go say no be on my watch. You get. Does that mean the thing they come through the one of them? One of it they over subdue that power. Now be the wisdom where we they talk. One of they subdue the power. The thing or just I say no, not be so you be before this thing. I go say if now your village, my village, I go conquer this thing. If it did, I go drop.
They give you.
You
If you
understand?
don't give her back, my sister, you are a fool.
But if the thing they work, now make and they talk everything, how they take knock and they not take do, how they know. I don't understand. Tomorrow I still think we know say spiritual controls the physical. The woman they see and say now be the weapon where one fashion against the husband with words of her mouth. Now make and they easily they talk. You know here waiting they talk now. Oh yeah, Mona, listen.
That man for depression when one put you, now two go depressed together. Oh, see giraffe, thank you, mommy. Put that
You dey laugh?
depression when one put. She be that in like the.
Okay, if you are depressed, who will come look after our children?
This one don't care for children, so they see and say.
If you are depressed, who will not give your children to? They will not depress the children, join and them.
He don't care. We must analyze this with the papa rest.
Beg. Get something I know one they like to hear.
We go hear am o.
Sorry for man, no sorry.
All this noise,
This
those
man
children they
waiting
feel
man give you. If me they cry, but they cry. I wish that thing no happen now. Shebi they cry for that thing now. Shebi they cry for that one now.
The children come.
Shebi that one the sister they cry now. Ma go your to you they cry. Ma go beat you they cry. You know go see something do that man back. Make that man see they cry. Man we they disgrace you. They use you one night to toe. Fuck your toto and leave me out of it. They tell me now say I believe that girl. Why I not believe? I don't do one before. He all come. He say the single mother of Terry. He fair pass you. When I tell her about your history, the girl they cry. Oh, that's a single mother of Terry. Is it okay now you and your husband break up? You tell her about my life history.
Wait, you think say na but okay marriage not take the break? How this woman tell the reason single mother say you not do okay, man? Her mentality is so sticky. So really, like me now, my name is S. We not quarrel before we leave each other. It's meant to be. Me and my husband self, when me deal with for us, we get past who I born for my side. Do you think that now all single mother where they just get belly born, the work out, na quarrel made them separate? Not be all. Things will happen. Now relocation happen for our own. Nothing else. So it dey okay now the first one not stay with her. You dey okay. Not be who born now be single mother. Who throw away picking for boyfriend and single
Now
mother?
waiting make single mothers come on some of us. Now
Mama, waiting. What of those where they do abortion? Waiting make them remove the pikin. Oh, because the ones where they born their own, I made they thought you were
Not
talk away.
only because they not fit stay. Many things they make person they change to single mother.
I
Many
just tired for her
different
mentality.
things.
Wow.
Now different reasons, different things.
If you
This
get
one what
to
you go they talk.
We must analyze her. I
call
do.
her now, if you get to it, call her.
Let's go.
Now I can't see their message. I call the child, the girl say, oh my God, my wife is making me angry. Police is coming. The girl say, what kind of nonsense wife is that? Please leave that house. Is she stupid? Is she crazy? I say, I'm just tired. I just tired. Because I know they shout to question with the single mother. See, what kind of stupid woman is that? Single mother, when you and the husband not there again. What kind of stupid?
Since how many days now, Joyous? Wait first. Since how many days now? This woman cannot settle you.
He ready settle. He never work out tired. That if he BP never high, no go.
It's way funny. It's way funny. Me that the way they call that the way when she they call single mother, you go say single mother. Like say they not be person. Single mother.
Which day they marry her for you? He was once a single mother as well. You don't know. No, never say anything.
Na drama queen.
BP, I know rest.
Mama Nora na drama queen, believe me.
I don't enter one chance for her. You never see anything.
That is too much. That is too much. I say, oh, don't worry.
They say, when you return bride price, why you call the talk? Go return.
The girl one time, you say you want TV.
If they fear to be single mother, now so I tell they start, they say return bride price, you no agree leave now. As you say, mama no agree move on. Single mother, they no agree they move on. Why you not go return and if it's easy, may you return to single mother? May you know I be. Go return bride price, oh. Justice.
You know who for them. So now say the same thing.
They say single mother, they gonna a single mother.
Joy. So you can wish that girl a person when they talk. Love that. It boko. I wish that person when they talk. I wish that person when they talk. You put an as a, he calls me. What do you do? You want to do that thing. My husband quick arrest you. Me say, can't do damage control. My woman in the test say, I know go.
Madam, these videos where they do not go enter Jamie Percy wahala. You dey saga in the morning, husband they ask speaking, where is your bag to go to school? They go just use many video against you for this country. Eh? Be careful. Eh? If you want to do saga, they go saga another people for another country. In the morning, mother no carry pikin go school. Now father they ask pikin, where is your bag, where is your shoe? You know that whole one. Who do you this one? Hey, they force you born those children.
Ah, Mama Mia, Joyous, Enogie like it. He likes social media too much. Ah, enter this platform, not for this platform, enter another one, enter this platform.
Almost 10 o'clock, now your pikin they go school for journey. 8 o'clock, 8 something, my children don't dey school. The one way they kita. If you late, before now, if you can't go school 9 o'clock, you go begin the parrot you say don't late. Oh. About those children, they talk, now maybe they tell you word as a mother. Very soon, now your children go, they ask you question for this journey. They ask you question, why you they shout? Why you they always shout? You never see. Very soon, those children, they will be in good debt. They go grow. They ask you question. The money you will not take children to school, they say, you not go ready children, go drop them for school. You not go your eyes. You say na saga. Now, I know they push you, may you not go learn language course. Even though you don't know I go with the day. When they go school, some people don't know they go the pakara. If you fail, they go, you repeat. They know they say, may you not repeat for Jamie. They go. Early morning like this, 6:30, we don't wake up. Ready children, when I dey school, I go drop one for here, drop two for there. I go run enter bus. I go school for about 30 minutes from my house. As I dey come house, I go arrange house, cook their lunch. Waiting we never do. All those things, my husband not dey gree leave us. You say our husband now will they say leave us, they not dey, because they know our what. Even though you say Enogie leave me now, you go run leave you because you see say you have nothing to offer. There's some women they say may we continue. In the morning, Jamie, you did not take children to school. You not take children go school. You must learn how to be a responsible mother.
In my woman, you test say, I know you're just the man who go fear up now.
Now you get roof. Now children get house. No be you get roof. Wait till you don't contribute for country. Wait till they get roof. Now children get roof. Now because of children make them give you another house. Now the man knock you where children come. Which roof you they pay put? You they pay us straight. Which roof you get? Now you build us. Now children make us there. Since you saw those children, you not go give them peace. Anytime, any day, you can lose that house. So be careful. Take care of your children. You not get house.
Since how many days now, Joyous say? Since how many days now that they quarrel and all those children not go get peace?
I'm telling you.
Even want me she even carry me. I even want me she settle this thing so that make peace reign.
Any day when you stop, I not go stop analysis. Now wait till bring point up with. You never see.
Now man when they wish woman good, woman they wish her good. Man, not quite to say.
Man, where wish you my good, now woman they wish her good. Person like you, where you know the year go and come. Now man, if they tell you A, you they look for Z. How you person like you, where know the year waiting you talk at all. If you don't say no, no. Now you man want advice.
They do my things. Man, wait, they wish woman bad. See, everybody get the kind spirit who they take carry.
You not get spirit, now scatter spirit you get. No, they say you get spirit, now you born her. As my brother be now, one woman go say, now will make my brother do okay for her. Now you born her. Now you carry for 9 months. Where you they say, which spirit you carry? Where the spirit never let you to integrate.
Not be abroad. Not be abroad. If for see, now in our spirit.
I just tired. Which spirit you carry? Where you share every spirit? Which spirit you get? Where you never be control you, control your home. Where you want say now social media you want to use the thing they shout. Which spirit you get? Let that spirit where follow you give the man paper. Since your spirit now talking now do spirit.
God bless you, my sister.
No,
Spirit of egg. The spirit of egg.
Let me get this afternoon.
Spirit of egg.
Now, analysis. Now, not be waiting brick on. With the waiting be my work. Waiting I know me for analysis blog. Oh,
Spirit of egg now.
You couldn't people they ask them what it be my back offend. I know my husband and wife quarrel. You fair get problem. I know come.
you say na normal husband and wife quarrel. Which normal husband and wife quarrel? For this one where you dey break up.
If
If una like me una settle, if una still saga come sit down and analyze una shame and disgrace. I don't say no, una not settle. If you no want marry Enogie, leave and single mother wey dey sexy. Even after 3 they sexy. They dey. They carry front, they carry back. They no lose for months. They dey genuine. So all passports, they dey genuine. Who they talk? Jesse, no go knock for my life. Oh, I know say I newly born.
sorry, I don't know if I climb on a mistake.
You want go knock me? I come.
Sorry.
No problem.
Sorry.
No problem.
It according to me that problem. When you use battle as still almost key person. That my side they ground. Now because they fight all this abuse. Come police now. Come now. If you don't come police, if you don't come police.
You and you can they fight all this abuse. Now you and my they fight. You say and I can't they fight all this abuse. Say all this matter they grant. You should say never send paper, make them no give a document because I tell you if you call police police will hold paper 3 things there inside. Is either you pay straffer or you know they deport you or you go prison. May not go sign waiting no read. This is Tasso. Una no say to no book.
What you different with this people not go see we know see you don't write the verse. And if me speak the verse, I know they control myself. I mean that 100%.
You admit safe in the very, you know they control yourself. So if you that mean your children, you they knock then then. If you be say you know if you control yourself as a mother. When you be say something now, you feel clear as my picking go pour water for ground, you know go feel all yourself. As a mother, if you dey vex, you no go fit hold yourself. You be mother. No be say you single again. You know what? Hey, Jesus. Una do well for this Jamie, oh. Jamie, oh yeah. Oh yeah.
This video, the day where she go get problem with anybody, they go use her against her. They will
All
go
this
give,
talk
they
wey
go
dey
use
talk.
her for you for government.
Oh, Jojo know the whole Jamie, oh. If Jamie
Government now they go use and fight you. This way they talk so. Say you know they feel hold on. Imagine again I no time no so.
I no understand how many video dey wey be say if social see all this thing na war for this country. Many days. No be only Enogie na dey say no. Even she go enter problem with many things wey they do. Ojojo no dey hold Jamie law. Please be careful. Man, advise this girl. Man, start to dey say you no allow. You go see they repeat itself. Na Jamie she dey. Jamie na street country. We go talk and see be. Oh yeah, let's continue. Papa, very soon now you go go the join them for school. They laugh. You go they use like
Tell me the journal. I can't really for call police before you go kill me. Police go come.
you can't really call police. You're right.
Now I can't even use the wisdom now say. Now I use my wisdom. I me call and say the way you take the do now. If you they do all this, the police go call this house. All this young police they come. Police go call this, all this why. Now it told you, now it told.
That means now she they always go make the right statement for grant for the husband. She they turn and now say all the criminal thing about fighting abuse when make the man not get paper. Now she they call police if they get problem. When they made the man beat at the last time, by the month he did there they quarrel. He tell by the month he say, he even gossip you give me. Now the man verse raise hand for him. Imagine. Who say you want talk? You not greet. You enter, you greet. Now we go say, okay, you want talk, you talk. Now listen side, or you talk, make her hear.
Good afternoon. I don't want to cut you short. Now make I write for the comment section.
Okay.
I want
No
to
problem.
talk. Good afternoon. This Enogie and the wife matter so Now lesson me say they learn from inside. Lesson. You know, both of them are wrong. Oh. You know, as me I don't marry. As husband and wife, it's good to say if both of them admit their wrongs and sit down and talk about it. If I don't get to this stage, you know,
Exactly.
if we go to the genesis of it, me as a married woman, if I know say I wrong, now what I do now cause the fire where they burn. So because my grandfather talk say, my grandfather they make parable for each other and say the fire where they burn for that side don't make cause someone. Now the one where I light for here now I do. Meaning say you light fire for here now you don't burn go that extreme end. But now you say no, you can't put the fire there. But you forget saying the one where you light for here now cause the fire. You know. So before the way I see them, because I see when somebody they analyze the issue for one platform. When I know you see say the thing don't they go like this. Example, say one saga that or more bliss. If I call your wife, explain to her, you know, say see the issue, blah blah blah, then go quarrel. Because when I hear Enogie part, my sister, as a married woman, if not me, I will feel so bad. Honestly speaking, you they profess your love to another woman, and you know say that woman don't like your wife. You understand what I try to
The
talk
wife
now?
no say no like him.
Yes, now they first get issue now. They know say they don't like him because of one. I don't know what happened for the past anyway. They know.
When they bring the issue come because like you know they come again.
I never know what be the issue come, my sister. But
And me follow up the case. Let me
because,
the answer you.
yeah, no, because we know I understand saying lion they
No,
come or
your wife
whatever they
no
come
say
again.
not like him. Your wife no say
Now
not
me
like.
they ask so. Thank you.
Your wife no say not like.
Okay.
The girl they do everything. If they are like where your wife, you know say I to go like that. Your wife, if the
Yes,
woman,
okay,
they
okay. Now, all right, that's fine. Let's assume say me and all of us will be women. If woman never cheats on you before, now you know how it be for your body. You understand? I understand. Say the woman to go extremely, it to go far for it too. Because if not me, I know bring my husband come outside to saga. Honestly, because I
Now
know
they
say
beat her now.
yeah, because we know say you get enemy for social media. So I know come that I know come to this extreme. But at the same time, Enogie know the kind of wife when still marry. You for just say, okay, my wife, see the thing where they go on between both of us, so well, at the toast time we dey into relationship. Now, not be say with the toast time, I dey into relationship with them, but now online relationship. You confess with
if you tell her you want make carry na chew for belle.
No.
Make you tell this kind wife say
No.
the toaster.
No,
Mama, no, they put
You
the
say
wait.
now so your husband go tell you say he toast woman and so they come they play
No.
with. Which husband go talk that kind of thing?
Now that fear, I make a no get.
What I try talk say if you not get to social media, don't for just dig down for inside house.
He must surely get to no talk and hear no ra.
Mama, no, for still can't talk her.
Whoa.
She for still can't talk her. Yeah, she for still can't
No
talk her.
talk. Enogie admit say he wrong. We no support and the first day I beat all of them round the three. Wait till I tell Mama Nora say may start to dey carry the matter comedy. I give to Omo Bliss. I give to Enogie. The thing where they reoccur now. As a woman, I want to ask you this question. If this thing happen to you, wetin happen? You suppose make the side chick know say you and your husband they fight. Answer that question.
Now what I they try talk so say one, as a me, I will talk for my own side of it as a woman and as a man. As a man, before I'll bring the issue come on social media, I will first play my wife first to see what happen. No woman when no go quarrel, no woman when no go scatter everywhere, they go quarrel, they go zanza everywhere, it will cause issue, everything. And what I they try talk with that. Not be say both of them. I'm not saying what she did is wrong. What I they try talk say even if you tell Mama Nora will still quarrel as it take quarrel so. But I not say no enter social media because before now they don't they quarrel. They don't they quarrel now. There's that quarrel. One time since it's that time where that quarrel take happen when they take come outside for social media. They never quarrel again. They don't quarrel now.
You go enter social media. No.
This one will happen for
no. What make Mama Nora go this extreme? She was betrayed like a fool. She don't know what he never hear the other record of her husband.
You know say na here not that first your husband may use that voice, may play and may take blackmail.
Yeah, that evening.
Okay, now.
Yes. When he sit close to him, yeah.
Well, that's part say Enogie do what he do. He ain't not too not wrong. Why she go use egg lay curse on her husband?
Now they talk so. I not support that.
Yeah, now that one me not just like
except say the marriage. No, she no want marry again. Now you go there.
Now if they don't come up for marriage, they do all those kind of things. Say I go swear for you, I go do you the thing. Not before you still there. Because you use your body the packer.
My sister, let me tell you my mother's story. Even if my husband leave me today, I will never swear for my husband.
Come and go hit the person by itself, no?
Even if I not there with my husband, I will never open my mouth to swear for my husband. My mother, it was now woman I carry my snatch my husband from my mother's hand. From inside the katakata, my husband lost his child. Sorry, my mother lost his child. Like Medoche, all this Medoche matter when they happen. So it was just it was just like a photocopy of what my mother passed through. But in all of it, my mother not open mouth curse my papa one day. He said because he born for her. Yeah. So the only thing when he come they swear put say anybody will kill my pikin will get hand this side. In all children no go better. And really all my stepmother children they are useless till today. No one head corrects. But assuming say my mother come they swear for my father like that say he curse her. He no guy go be rich. He must enter the first child head, which is my senior brother. Now, what if Mama Nora don't know be that one? If you they swear for your husband like that, as far your husband they use body they rob those children, he go rob on top of especially the first child. If it's a male or female, don't swear. No matter how you reach, you can call so say you are a very stupid man. That one a normal thing. But so you can't go extreme, go carry egg, or can't use your private part and they swear for man. And now they support my woman for that kind of matter. You understand? I blame Mama Nora for that one. You understand? But at the same time, as a couple. To avoid issue like this, you tackle it from the beginning. You understand? Because if nobody be small picky again. Nobody will come to quarrel like say will be secondary school children. If you see where problem won't come, you'll see the whole. You know, let fire come begin. The smoke come full everywhere before you come to find how you take cover. And I would say now that one they talk about Enogie inside though. Say if in this one not starts, this where we dey now for not there where we dey. You understand what I try to talk so now? I don't support her for that one. They cause your husband with ego. I don't support her more.
Even if say make it not very don't apologize, it not go happen again. Even though Enogie rub body for that beg. Are you sure say you know I will be the woman? Wait, if you give that man peace, wait, no, still go do another one, wait, pass that one.
So now, for relationship and especially marriage, it takes trust. And trust, if it's broken one day, it takes years to repair. Me and you, we woman. You know, women, they hardly forgive, they hardly forget. Even if our husband does, especially this cheating aspect. So if Enogie come out now, or any of our husband come on now, go London, go anywhere now, our mind will come to say, I beg go sit down, you will don't do, even if the man not do one. But it will take time.
Me but I know comment section. I know if they read comments again, but they come back up.
Let's see they talk.
So it will take time for the trust to come back. It might take 3 years, 4 years. You understand? But there must still be this back and forth quarrel to say, I beg go sit down, you will can't disgrace me so online. Even if they see quarrel tomorrow or next tomorrow, this kind of relationship, this issue will come up, so must still come up. But later on, it will take time to
okay, what will be your contribution? May they make peace with their home now, may not they come out again.
Yes, my contribution is this. If you no get, like, if you know say you know the way your wife not get self-control, you not get manners, or you not get the way they do your own thing. Avoid issue like this. Not as a presenter, you be public figure. Avoid this cheating or this small children things so they bring you down or can they mess you up for this. Now that is my own contribution. You know, as a public figure.
Yeah, you know, Enogie, your advice is good. Wait till you want to tell you, Nora, bringing your husband outside.
Yeah, so I'll tell and say, if you bring the husband come outside for never pay me, now the swear for an I pay me. Bring him outside, safe. He never pay me, reach that swear. Even if she return that cost.
Mama, not talk like that.
Wait, now make I finish. Wait, make I finish. There are two things I talk here. I not support saying bring your husband come outside. I said the one way even come pay me pass inside. Now that's swear. We carry egg take swear. You know the meaning of using egg take swear. Say the way I take break.
No, not the gift person for this platform.
He said the way he said the way I take gift you something. He said the way I take scatter this egg. You no go fit return it again. Even if you can't return now. God forbid, maybe people don't come pull hand join, and I tell they try talk.
She too they swear with egg.
If you saga your husband small, like now you see.
I never swear for egg for my husband.
Everybody will still talk. Everybody will still talk the matter rest, but you can't the egg when you scatter your feet gather and back, madam.
No.
I want me they talking style now. I don't say
thank you.
Now they listen to me now. They say they don't settle. They say they don't settle for happiness page. They say they don't settle the matter.
Yesterday they not said they settle. You know, concerning analysis a day.
I pray my mother don't come outside again.
Leave matter. Continue more now they talking. Are they here?
My sister.
My sister, not let them they talk. If you they struggle like this, they forget.
So that is my own inside though. If they ever come settle tomorrow, they not like that quarrel where they first quarrel that first time. When this quarrel happen, I saw the video they fly everywhere. So mama, if as a Masha, if you want marry, open you marry. Not go marry because of beauty. You marry woman where get sense. You understand? Above all, marry woman where get sense. Woman where will cover you with cloths. Not the one who will expose you to public tomorrow. You say sorry.
Okay, I want to ask you that question. Say woman where know the cover for your husband, whether na good thing.
Now they tell you so, my sister. Me, I be proper Ishan woman. I be proper Ishan women can never do this foolish thing.
God forbid, no.
I be proper Ishan woman. Sorry
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Ishan woman. Whatever they try talk say, man.
Thank you, my gifters.
Even when we dey young like this, my mama, if you see us, they fight for it, you go first join us, beat that person first.
Before you come ask us,
your cousin, what happened? Same with us for UK here. The way now when they go they look people for outside when they fight their wife or they fight their husband. Now I'm so not they get issue for my marriage. Oh, there's no marriage they don't have issue. But now cloth will take cover around. Cover around. A bag way all the man me body will kill. You cover around. But as you they expose, don't disgrace the man.
Now that one we stand put say you must learn how to cover for your husband for his side. If no, we not go leave him. Anything will happen, no concern me, they go settle them. That outside way they can't tell how they take over. How they not take over. How they take we not go agree.
You're not going to cover
everywhere. Other me making where other don't take where me will get. All time he no be so that dokere. That one I talk.
No good shot.
We not go. Oh yeah, the next person. Who join wey never talk? Destiny. Lady J never talk. If you know Tom, when we drop you out, people join. Oh yeah.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. So,
Good afternoon.
hi. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Okay.
Mama T, good afternoon. I'm so proud of you the way you did not answer his wife because she was very insultive to you. I was going to say, as a woman, when a man has done something like this, what I expected him to do was to apologize and tell her sorry, not to gaslight her, not to make her feel as though she's in the wrong. She's in the wrong for what she did after by abusing him, but she was not the problem in the first place. How can you be a married man, try to cheat with a married woman and then blame your wife for
But he said,
almost cheating?
Mama, he said he apologized first now.
He didn't apologize initially. She said indoors. That's what he said. But she said, no, you apologized to your fans. You didn't apologize to me. Now, the way I see him apologizing online, if that's the apology, I myself would not accept it. Because to me, if it's happened to you, it's happened to me. So I know what it feels like. And I'm telling you, what happened to me was 10 years ago. And as a woman, you hardly forget when somebody does something like this. It's deceitful. You can't trust that person anymore. How can she ever trust him? He's a celebrity. He goes to parties. How will she know in this life that he will never do this again? He will do it. For one, he's looking for his papers. So whoever's going to give him his stay or his paperwork in England, I'm in England, so I don't know what they do in Germany, but whoever's going to give him the papers that he needs to stay, he will be looking towards that direction. He's not going to change. She needs self-esteem. She needs something to do. She needs to find a job. She needs to go and learn how to put her hand to something, learn a trade, do something. When you look at her and you look at the mistress, Omo Bliss, the difference is clear. I don't advocate women cheating because it's happened to me, but I'm saying to you, she looks unkept. The house, even the little portion of the house that you see looks dirty. Like, she just looks dirty. I can't explain that. And I don't want to abuse a woman. I'm much older than her. I'm in my 50s now.
We must talk everything.
My sister, thank you for saying that. God bless you.
I'm not here to insult.
That word. Thank you.
She's a young person. In her 30s, she's a young person to me. By God's grace, I'll be 51 this month. So I'm not here to insult her. But she has children and she's had multiple children on top of children, set of twins, yes, the first child, set of twins, and then the baby. God has blessed you. She's got 4 children, yes, God has blessed you, but in all of that blessing, these children are a gift from God. They're not to be hearing you and your husband abusing each other left, right, and center, left, right, and center.
Of the kids fighting,
it's too toxic. That used to happen in my home.
That is verboten in Deutschland. Verboten.
Okay, that's what forbidden. When I tell you it's terrible, she needs to gather herself together. What's going on with her now? She doesn't have the power to say, I'm going to leave this marriage, because she doesn't want the stigma of being a single mother. There's nothing wrong with being a single mother. I have been a single mother. I have a fantastic child. I have 2 other children who are doing fantastic. So there is no stigma to say I'm a single mother. I'd rather be a single mother than to be dead in a marriage that's already dead. Your marriage is dead. He doesn't love you. This man does not love you. I'm not here I don't do all this calling people out and say I'm not a social media person, but I'm just saying the marriage is over. It's over. Really, the marriage is over. Because if he can invite you to come onto his side chick's platform to wish her happy birthday, it's over. He's just there for what he can get. The marriage is dead. There's nothing more. And if she can just understand that in this life, marriage is not, it's not the be all and end all. Your children being happy, you being a woman of excellence, you having something to offer is what's going to carry you through. You don't waste your good years on a man like this. I've seen men like this. I've been married. I said to you, I was married at 29. I went through some things as a woman. I would never abuse him in public, never. but people who knew us, the family, they knew what we did. They knew what happened. I was embarrassed because I was the last to know. As the wife, you are the last to know. But the apology he gave her is not an apology. It is not an apology. It is not an apology. And he continues to play the video.
We have that already. We have condemned that. But the problem is that she's not overreacting. Our problem is, don't bring your marital issue to talk of it. This is not the first time, second time, and the third time. She should settle it indoor.
Yes.
Not coming out to talk down the husband every minute here. It can be here to sleep with me.
She's not overreacting
for us.
She's not overreacting, but you know there's a thing that happens when you are in the right, but you give up your right because of your attitude. She was not in the wrong. But now she looks like she's in the wrong. Do you see what I mean? Because you've given up your right. You should have let him sit in his mess. You should have stayed silent. Let him sit in that mess. Then all the pressure would have been on him.
The two staggering themselves and you laugh at them.
Well, exactly. Now you make the side chick know. Now the side chick knows what's going on in your house. The side chick knows you're not happy.
My sister, education is very important in life.
Important. Jesus.
It's very important. This embarrassment it's because of what they call it, and I don't know what illiteracy joined to it.
Illiterate.
You understand? The woman have no control of
education without sense. Education without sense is no education. Bliss is a PhD. Bliss has masters and she has no sense. Because how can you talk to somebody and allow them to record you? Are you mad?
Yeah. No, it's a voice note conversation. They spoke on voice note.
Voice note record. She sent the voice note to the man.
But you know, sis, you know,
it was a voice note she sent. It was a voice note.
It was a voice note, but you know that he built his platform based on people's voice notes. You know this.
Yes.
You know that this is the job he does.
She's dumb in that aspect.
And there is what they call in WhatsApp. There's what they call disappearance message. She could have put her message stuff in disappearance.
Let me correct you that. As a presenter, I am. If I know I don't trust you, when you send me a message, before I will open it, I will transfer it to another phone.
Yes.
She cannot even disappear that. You don't know that Enogie is a presenter? You don't know?
Okay, that was what she wanted to do to Enogie before she sent the message to her phone.
So you might turn it against me if I don't trust the person. We are fast to do that.
That's what she wanted to do to Enogie as well. Before she could send the message to her phone, Enogie has already deleted the message.
So with that
was why she could not have any evidence of what Enogie said to her.
She was not smart.
But we're not stupid. We can read. We can figure out the conversation. If you say A, I can figure out you said B, then you said C. He played half. He played bits in between. That man, God.
Yes.
Yeah. Any man that wants to have a side, you don't know they are very smart when it comes to that. They will even make you
my own opinion is that Mama Nora knows that her husband is a public figure. This kind of thing is about to happen. She knows the kind of man she is married to. She should have known that this kind of thing is about to happen. But my question is, when Enogie was posting that voice record, Mama Nora was in support of it.
At the first,
she was the one praising her husband. My husband is this, my husband is that. God bless my husband for me. She was the one praising him. And the next day she came online and started insulting and started swearing. I don't understand.
What happened behind the camera?
What now happened? What changed?
No, I don't trust that praising. I'm sorry.
Came out the next day.
Let her talk finish.
And said that
let she finish. Sorry.
Okay. It's because she asked questions. That is why
listening.
So I don't understand. Even if Bless came out, I believe her. She was the one who forced Enogie to post that voice record. Because initially, this lady counselor has already begged Enogie not to do it. Enogie should just forget about it.
She was the one telling the husband
to post it. Because if Enogie hasn't
posted her, she never
exactly.
Going to backfire her.
Exactly. If Enogie has not posted that voice record, all these things happening would have not even happened again today. It would have. The matter would have been dead for a long time.
But she insisted of him posting the voice record, and the next day you coming out crying, insulting him, swearing for him on live stream that you cannot take it. You know the kind of man you are married to. And moreover, Enogie did not sleep with this woman. It's just a voice record.
We are still
I'm not
condemning
supporting
the
Enogie
fact
for what he did that is right, but he did not sleep with this
did
woman.
not do wrong.
He did
But
not
the
do
problem,
wrong.
if you want to caution your husband as a wife,
You should do
that is
it
mature.
indoor. Not for
Every year you repeatedly doing this
the same
bringing
thing
out your husband dirtiness, saying a lot
outside.
of nonsense things outside on Facebook where he have his
just imagine now. Maybe
get his money on this TikTok. You want to block his way, and people have been mocking you with the past voice record that you guys fought. That is not enough.
Exactly.
You still came out again.
The same thing again happened.
Bringing it out on media because you know now you know fit cover for husband. That's Ukwanike.
You came out and start shouting, start insulting Enogie again for the second time.
Pastor for inside.
Okay, imagine that you going from platform to platform, explaining yourself. There's nothing. You are just looking for sympathy. That's what I see here. She's just looking for sympathy.
Before this one issue, do you know that Enogie enemy, this woman will go to their platform?
Their platform and to go and explain everything there. Does that even make sense? Is that a wife who supports a husband?
You will go there and join them on platform. Is that
a wife who supports? Let's we are women. Let's be sincere here. We have brothers. Let's be sincere. I'm not saying what Enogie is doing is right. It's not right. It's not right. But
good afternoon, Mama. Oh yeah, who is the next? Mommy Blessing.
Yeah. You see this issue. For me, I know say at the beginning, when that record come outside, I was only angry with Enogie why he go bring the record come outside in the first place. Yeah? Because in anything between you and Omo Bliss, based on some Bliss na married woman, she messed up. Right? But as the matter be now, they go say who do wrong. Now mama not me go blame say do wrong. You know why? You know why? The same cause when Omo Bliss carry enter house, now mama Nora don't carry enter house. Are you aware of that?
The goat, Sabi?
Yeah, the same cause when Omo Bliss carry, if like say, if they want really talk, say something want really evil affect man. You know say I know get something go affect for inside this thing so because the wife don't carry cause given.
Do you know that? Course? Explain and make we understand.
The cause when the wife carry give her now to go they use egg, they swear for them. Which cause pass that one?
Okay, make una talk about the egg aspect for the people where they up. Is it good for a wife to use egg to swear for her husband? Because she found that the husband cheated on a true chat